It is July 31st at 9:30 in the morning here in my apartment. Right out front, right out the door, there is unbearable noise. And this is the least of it. Let's give it another second here. Can't really see. Okay. No, this is the least of it. But it is continuous. It just, and there's no doubt that it's extremely annoying and really unbearable. I mean, no one can sleep, no one can work, no one can have a conversation on the telephone. And I guess the managing company, Decron, feels this is appropriate and bearable. Yeah, it just keeps happening.